Hi guys, welcome to today's class. In this training, we want to show us how to make use of undeposited fund. So most of the time we receive payment from customers, but we don't take them to bank directly. Maybe we receive them in cash, like cash payments for services and goods, services rendered and goods sold to customer. So later dates, we take those money to the bank. So the best place to actually put them before taking them to the bank is undeposited fund. So undeposited fund in QuickBooks is like an other assets account. So how do you go about that? So I'm going to create automatically QuickBooks has that in in has that feature. So if you want to see, you go to edit preferences. Under payment, you go to company preferences. You select use undeposited fund as a default deposit to account so that you don't forget. So always any payment you receive from your customer is going to enter into this account. So whenever you are taking them to the bank and you deposit them to the bank collectively, then once you come back to the office, you come back with the teller, the bank teller, the evidence of payment to the bank. Then you select those payments individually to sum up the total deposit that was made to the bank actual bank account. So I'm going to lay this on, then I click on OK. Okay, uh, okay, automatically it's selected in QuickBooks. So now we're going to create a transaction now. So let me go to sales receipt. So sales receipt. Okay. Now you see there is no option here for selecting a bank. You understand, because you've selected the preference on undeposited fund. Okay, so let me say I'm making a sales to ABC company, and I want to it's gardening services. Okay, then let's say it's 12,000. Okay, so I'm done with that. I save and new. They will not show me any place to select my bank account because it's going to undeposited fund. So I select on that. Why I have to select that so we don't do a mistake. We know that anything we are doing is going there. Then afterwards, we'll select. So I'll go to networking. Let's say this is 5,000. Okay, save and new. Then I go to the third one. Let's say software installation. Let's say to Steveco. Then I go to software installation. Let's say there's 5,000. Okay, now we have all these transactions recorded on today's date, 19th of February. Now you see they are all sum up to 3 invoices, 3 deposits. So now I'm going to click on this record deposit. It's already showing us a notification. Okay, so click on record deposits. Okay, look, these are the 3 transactions. So at the end of the day, let's say I went to the bank to deposit the total money you are seeing here. So I'm going to check them all. I'm going to click on select all, or I select them one after the other. Okay, select all, making a total of 52,000. So your bank teller that you are bringing back to the office should equal this 52,000 naira. So we want to deposit this money now. We've already done the deposit on actual real time. So, but now I want to record it on QuickBooks. So we'll pick them out from undeposited fund to which bank. Let's say we deposited some to Sterling Bank and others to GTB. So what I'm going to do here now is to select Stanley Bank. Okay. Let's say with the 52,000 all goes to Stanbic Bank. Okay, now let's say there is a cashback to, let's say we deposited some to GT. Okay, and how much is that? Let's say we did not deposit all these 52 in Sterling alone. We deposited part two. Okay, let's say we deposited 70,000 to GT. So 17,000 to GT Bank. Okay. Now you see deposit total now will be 35,000. So I'm depositing 35,000 to Sterling Bank, then 17,000 to GTB. So let me save and close. Can add a memo to describe this transaction. Save and close. Okay. Now let's go to account, chart of accounts, or we can go to balance sheet. Now you can see on Sterling Bank we have 35,000. On GTBC we have 22,000. Mind you, double click it to see the register because there was an amount there before. So you can see the 17,000 that we just splitted to Sterling Bank and GT Bank is reflected here. So with this, you see that you could able to comfortably receive payment from your customer and leave them in your undeposited fund. Then whenever you take them to the bank, you go to undeposited fund and make those payments to the real bank. So if you go to home now, you see here that there is no pending deposit to be made. Okay, see you guys in my next class. Have a wonderful day and bye.